Anyway, we'll load the video up. My camera ran out of battery, so I didn't get the entire recovery. I got the vehicle out of the water and up on its side, but then the battery went dead, so I didn't get the last 5 minutes of it, which is unfortunate. Are you bottomed out yet? Are you bottomed out yet? Grab your, oh, that's just a pooper. Okay. Okay, where is the traffic control check post again? She didn't know how to turn her traction control off.
She didn't know how to what?
She didn't know how to turn her traction control off.
Oh.
The traction control is only good for snow and ice.
Oh.
When you get in mud or sand, you have to turn it off or you lose all your power.
Oh.
Are these guys with her?
I think so.
You want to get in the truck? Huh? Are you ready to go bye-bye?
Are you on us, Dad?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Come here, big guy. Come here. Oh.
I'm Mike.
Mike, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
No, man. Hey, shit. There you go. Well, you have a house down. You have a house. Yeah, but I don't.
Yeah.
You gonna make it?
I'm part of the Normandin crew.
Huh?
I said I'm part of the Normandin crew.
Which one? Normandin.
The yellow house, 1899.
Oh yeah, you guys restoring it?
No, that's her dad. That's her brother, man.
Are you gonna make it? I'm gonna show you why. Well, I'm gonna show you why you got stuck too. There's a little.
Stupid.
Here, grab an arm. Grab an arm.
I don't know.
Grab an arm.
Should we do a little chorus line?
No, there's a little button on your shifter.
Yes.
That's traction control, and you got to turn that off whenever you're in mud or sand. And check your tide book.
Well, I was just driving over there, and I followed my dog.
Well, don't follow your dog. Your dog's got four-wheel drive. You don't.
She does. Bless your heart.
Your dog's all-wheel drive.
She is. Thank you. Let me pay you.
Now, I want you to look on the side of your shifter. See that little button right there?
Yes.
If you ever get in a spot like that again, you push that button in, you reverse, back up a little bit, get yourself a little runway, walk it back and forth. Once you get a good runway, you just give her the gas and go, but make sure that button's in. When you push that button in, it'll show a car at an angle like that. That's your traction control off.
Do you know that Bruce, you know Bruce, but first, he was driving one day and he said, "Oh, what's this button?" And I said, "I don't know." So he played with it. He said, "I know what this is. When you're going downhill, you can press this button." Anyway, he knew it was there. I didn't know it was my car.
I wouldn't know that.
I
learned something
Thank
too.
Don't worry
Please,
about it.
George,
Don't worry about it.
Your time, your effort, and
No problem.
your education.
No problem. It's all easy.
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you.
Where's your damn dog? Get your ass over here, you little shit.
She is a little shit too.
She gonna
She's
come
Do you have
load
a
up.
leash?
She's playing, can't keep away.
Harry,
She gonna come to you?
Harry.
Once we move away, she will.
No, she's not ready to go home. That's her deal.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Come here, Curie Ann.
I thought maybe we were gonna see that big
Come on.
swanky truck
What's
that
that?
you've got. The big beast that you have. Don't you have this giant tow truck?
The blue one?
Is that what
Yeah.
color it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
not
little
coming.
shit.
She is a little shit.
Oh, here, I'll get
She's
her.
a little. You
Will
think?
Will she let me get her?
You know what you need to do? You need to get one of those leashes that's like 100 foot long and just keep her on that.
I have an e-collar, but when I put the e-collar on her, she doesn't leave my side, and that's no fun for her.
Well, get
or
one of
me.
those 100-foot leashes for her.
Hi, Olga.
Oh, there she's gonna come to.
This is like
If you open the door, will she jump in?
busting a bronco.
Come on.
Come on. Hear it.
Oh, goodness. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. You can't get petted over there. You can't get petted over there. Come here. Oh, goodness sakes. Look at you. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl.
You're a dog
Okay, come on. Let's get in. Come on.
Yes, you are.
Jump in.
Carol.
Jump in.
Ah,
There
Thank you
go,
both.
darling.
God.
Come take a rest.
I tell you what, you ain't ever gonna catch a dog. They gotta come to
They
you.
have
Yes.
to- and she always does.
I know.
She's doing this on purpose. She's doing it to embarrass me.
Well, hey,
This whole day
on the
has been
positive
designed.
side, I've been got my YouTube camera going here. I'll put a video on YouTube for you.
Oh,
Oh, God, that's right. Do you have 1 million followers or something?
I love it.
And what's the puppy's name?
Kiri, K-I-R-I.
Well, she's a little shit.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay, watch your tide tables.
Oh, yeah, normally I'm not even here this time. I'm early, like 9 in the morning.
What do you got hanging off the back?
Her poop. I gotta throw
Well, I don't want that.
No, you don't.
Maybe somebody will steal it if you park uptown.
People tell me all the time your groceries are falling out.
You can have them. Take care.
George, baby.
You betcha. Bye-bye. She couldn't catch her dog. She was over on the hard part of the beach. Her dog took off down the beach, so she decided to try and follow the dog. That didn't work. She got herself stuck, and rather than burying it, she called me. She wasn't really that buried. I just rocked it back and forth and drove it right out. Oh man, it's been a busy morning. We started this morning at 2 o'clock in the morning with the Dodge Hemi wrecked, and then the car off the Nakata boat basin, and now this one here makes for a busy day. I just loaded up the Hemi, the Dodge truck Hemi. I just loaded it up on YouTube. Now I'm going to go back and load the Toyota Yaris that was off the boat launch. I guess on the boat launch one, the gal, she said there was smoke coming from her car, so she drove it off the boat launch to put the fire out, which I guess would make sense at the time. Other than the boat launches the Nakata Basin at saltwater, and the saltwater's